sauce and cheese. Crispy chicken, Italian royal is what I'm picking. $5 your way, I rule this day. Nuggets, fries, drink bars just been raised. Add Whopper Jr. or something new. A barbecue bacon Jr. just for you. International flavors also different. Original chicken so magnificent. There is really no equivalent. Unrivaled, all three. Eat like a king who's on a budget. 3 tasty options, fries, drink, and nuggets. All for $5. Wait, that can't be right. Just confirm that that's the real price.
Everyone gets a BK stacker.
Tiny dancer.
2 linebackers.